Here's a quick tutorial on a few of the nice features of Word that you can use when making your operations manual. So first off, let's go over here to Home. And one thing that's really nice is to go ahead and set up the different headings. That way, when you're creating your manual, they will automatically have for your navigation pane, you can easily go through your manual online, and also you can create a automatic table of contents, which is really nice. So to create the different headings, you can see up here, you can have as many as 4. You can even create more if you want, but really going 4 deep is enough. So if you right click on the heading itself, you can go ahead and modify what that heading looks like. So right now the heading 1 is Arial, size 18, and in an off gray color, which is less ink than using black, so that's kind of nice. If you want some sort of bullet, what you do is you come here to numbering, and you can do numbers, you can do bullets. Okay, so that's just a quick on how you can go ahead and modify the different headings, and you can do that with each one of them, and you can do it with the normal text as well. So let's go ahead, we'll choose heading 1, and we're just going to say chapter 1 because I can't think of anything else. And then we just have different things we're going to say, and then maybe we want a subheading, right? So subheading and so forth. Okay. And if you go ahead and it was under normal, you can go ahead and change it right here. See how it changes? Okay, so there we go. Now, to make the automatic table of contents, if you already started and you already have something done, let's say like I do, right? We don't want the table of contents on the same first page. We want it before. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come over to Insert. We're going to want to insert a blank page. So here we are at the beginning, right? Because we want the blank page before this page. So blank page, and there we go. Now we're on page 1. So let's get over here. Let's go ahead and do references, which is where you're going to find table of contents. We come to the drop down. We choose which one. They have automatic ones here, so let's just do something easy. I mean, you can do a custom, but let's just do this. So here we go. Table of contents, boom, got it. Chapter 1, there you go. Right, you have your subheading and whatnot. Now, you can go ahead and do that at any time. And if we add, if we add something afterwards, then all we want to do is go ahead and update the table. And now it's added. Okay? One other really nice thing that Word can do, if you make your manual in different sections like I like to, and then you want a complete office edition, so to speak, you can merge different Word documents together. And the way that you would do that is go to Insert, come over here to Object, click down to Text from File, and then you would go find your other parts of your document and insert them. If you want to do more than one at a time, you know, just hold down the Control key, right, and go ahead and insert. And then you could have all the different sections of your manual together in one document for a Office edition, and then you can keep them separate for the different positions, so you don't have to print, you know, everything for the master from the master edition. So there you go. I hope that is helpful. All right, one last thing is so you can easily, let's get rid of that, so you can easily go through your manual on your desktop is to take a look at the headings. So we want to go ahead and use the navigation pane. I come over here to find it from Home, Find. Again, you can also plug in, a word right here that you want, and you can go through an entire manual and it'll pull up everything here. So let's just do that really quick. See, so put in chapter, it highlights, you can find where you put chapter and make any corrections or just take a look at what you've done. But what I wanted to show you was the headings. So let's get rid of this. So when we look at headings, right, if we set it up correctly, we can go through our entire manual this way, online. Very nice. And we don't have to use the scroll bar over here. It comes in really handy if you've got several pages. Again, I hope that's helpful.